confidential and potentially explosive deposition by a former New Orleans priest accused in child records of child sex abuse could become public. We're joined now by investigative reporter Aubrey Killian, who just left the court. Now, Aubrey, in a huge surprise, the district attorney was also there, correct?
Hey, that's right. So District Attorney Jason Williams announced they are looking into Father Lawrence Hecker, and evidence from the Archdiocese, I'm told, was just turned over to the DA's office. So take a look. Today, attorneys for the Archdiocese and the accusers, they took center stage at federal court. Attorney for the accusers, Richard Trahan, says that the accusations, they date back decades and the Archdiocese knew about them. Trahan is asking federal judge Jane Malazzo to unseal a deposition by Father Lawrence Hecker. Attorneys for the Archdiocese say that the deposition, it is protected after they filed bankruptcy. They say this is an attack on the Archdiocese, but attorneys for the accusers, they disagree.
There has been intense law enforcement interest in Lawrence Hecker, in the documents and the deposition that we took from Hecker in December of 2020, which is to this day the most disturbing, fascinating, disgusting testimony I've ever taken as a lawyer.
Do you feel the judge needs to make these records public?
You know, I can't speak to that. There are other lawyers who have spoken very eruditely to that, and the judge addressed it. My focus is on any criminal actions that have happened in Orleans Parish, and if there's evidence, if there's a line, if there's a document that is evidence of a crime occurring here, a crime against a child, I think it is really important that information not be withheld from law enforcement.
And Judge Malazzo did not rule today if that deposition will become public. It's also important to note that Hecker has not been charged with any crime. Stay with us on this breaking story. Back to you.
Aubrey Killian with the latest. Aubrey, thank you so much. All right.